Worth it bang bumili ng Discover Soul Pass? Let's find out. We recently went to South Korea and got the 48 hours Discover Soul Pass. Let's break down kung paano namin ito ginamit at magkano yung regular cost ng bawat activity versus the Discover Soul Pass which costs 2,855 pesos. By the way, we got the mobile pass version na may kasamang eSIM. So for day 1, the first thing we did upon arrival is to activate the eSIM which has unlimited data for 3 days. This normally costs 725 pesos pero included na ito sa Discover Soul Pass. Next ay sumakay kami sa AREX or their express train from Incheon Airport to Seoul Station which normally costs 515 pesos. Sunod naman is the hanbok rental which normally costs 715 pesos and pag naka-hanbok ka, libre na din yung entrance mo sa Gyeongbokgung Palace. We then went to the Seoul Tower observation deck worth 1,000 pesos. Perfect ito if you want to get a 360 bird's eye view of the entire city of Seoul. Lastly, we also did the Ilan Han River Starlight Cruise that costs 1,035 pesos. You get a great view of the city at night while cruising the Han River. For day 2 naman, we went to Lotte World Adventure. Para siyang indoor theme park worth 2,455 pesos pero included na siya with the Discover Soul Pass. Next is the COEX Aquarium worth 1,310 pesos. This place is super cool. Ang daming marine animals, merong aquarium tunnel and there are sharks. Sharks! Sunod naming pinuntahan ay Zulong Zulong. It's like a petting zoo where you get to interact with animals. 1,150 pesos din ito. And lastly, sinubukan namin itong Tubester where you can do boating sa Han River near the Banpo Bridge. You can bring food and drinks on board. 1,390 pesos din ito pero included na siya sa Discover Soul Pass. To summarize, here's a breakdown of all our activities and their regular price versus Discover Soul Pass. Lahat ng ito ay worth 10,295 pesos. But they are all included sa Discover Soul Pass for only 2,855 pesos. That's a 72% savings. Imagine, nakatipid ako ng 7,440 pesos. More money better spent for shopping and food. So yes, super worth it ng Discover Soul Pass. And if you purchase it using my code sa Klook, may discount ka pang makukuha. I'll post more about my experience on my next videos, kaya like and follow for more. Okay, thanks, bye!